Oh, look what I found today in the charity shop. Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Nailsea today. Looks to me like all the charity shops have put all their prices up. They all seem to be just that little bit more expensive. Some of them have gone from £1 to £1.12 and some have gone from £1 to £1.20 for their cheapest items. But I did manage to find some cheap stuff. First of all, found myself another one of these rather nice toolboxes. You might see over there I've already got one, and I spotted this one for £1. They're nothing particularly special other than the fact they're 100 times better than the toolboxes I buy in Poundland for £1. They really are much better quality, which isn't surprising because no doubt these are more expensive normally when they're brand new, and if I can get them cheap in a charity shop then I'm on a winner. And they got nice hinges on them. The Poundland ones tend to be just the plastic moulding bent over so that after a while the plastic moulding cracks and the lid falls off. But these do at least have proper hinges there. So I'm pleased with that. So that's a good start. And then, what else did I buy? Well, looks to me like another animatronic. Haven't tested it yet. It didn't work in the shop, so I don't know if it's just got faulty batteries or whether it's faulty. And I've no idea what sort of thing it does. I can feel inside it's got the sort of ball-shaped head to it and the motor unit in there, so I assume it rocks its head around like that, and I expect it makes some sort of sound. So we'll have a look, see what condition the batteries are in live on camera. Wow. Three AA batteries. Okay, well, I'll measure them, see what they're like, and replace them if necessary. Well, using my good old faithful, very simple battery tester, they're all dead. But at least they haven't leaked. So I'll change them out and see what happens. Just before I change them out, there were some comments on one of my recent videos about using decent batteries, using alkali batteries instead of the cheap Poundland ones. Well, I get through quite a lot of batteries because I usually have to change them out in these charity shop toys, and I usually redonate the toy back to a different charity shop, so I don't really want to put decent batteries in them. I only need them to last long enough for me to do a video, and then they can be thrown away as far as I'm concerned. Whereas if I keep using alkali batteries, they're going to slowly run down, or I'm going to leave them in the toy when I give them away. So that's what I do. I use cheap ones and get rid of them. Rather a lot of them. Right. So, in the spirit of what I'm saying, some cheap Poundland batteries. In there. Which way round does the bottom one go? I don't see a spring in there. I would assume the bottom one's got to be that way round, and the top one goes that way round. Yeah, I see. Well, so I can feel what's in there. It'll be the sort of dome-shaped battery unit with a shaft pointing upwards, with a round, like a probably about the size of a table tennis ball head on it, and it just spins around. And because it spins around but the head can't spin round, that has the effect of making the head rock backwards and forwards and side to side. So I'm not going to take it apart. It'll be exactly the same as some of the other ones I've done. But I'll put his case back on. Case cover back on. And get it in there. I'm trying to put it the wrong way around. I like that one. I'm afraid my grandsons would probably love it. It appeals to their current sense of humour. Yeah, well, that one cost me 50p. Money well spent. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.